Okay, we're back. What the hell are we doing? Can't believe you guys talked me into this. So, for anybody who's watching later or wasn't around earlier, today's FOMC. We should be expecting something at 2. Usually the market moves a pretty hefty amount at 2 p.m. We have 2 funded accounts, so we can't lose. Put a buy on one, put a short on the other, and see what happens. Hank, you're here for the show. I need your guys' help to figure out how we're going to do this. Something is up. Were you here? I don't think you were here earlier, right? We're doing something a little irresponsible, but should be fun nonetheless. And it doesn't really seem like anybody has any definitive answers as to what will happen if I do this, so we're going to find out for ourselves. We are going to get into a long position on one account and a short position on another account right before 2, which is FOMC, and see what happens. Right? That's the right word, right? Irresponsible. I mean, I guess, but it doesn't. I've heard people, it doesn't make sense to do that like on the same account. That's the only reason why I'm doing this is because I have 2 accounts. And technically I only have $150 of my own money in each one. So if one can make 1,000 and one fails, then we made money. Right? It might be. This only works with, I think, prop accounts. Like if both of these accounts were personal accounts, I would not do this. That doesn't make sense for me. But if you have a prop firm and say we have the potential to catch a 100-point move, but we're just not sure which way it's going to go, we could do it on prop firm accounts and see if it works. Now, I don't think I should get in. I don't think I should market in. I think I should have limits. Like put a buy up here and then a sell down here. Right? So if this was the account we were going to buy on, I'd put a buy up here. And if this was the account we were going to sell on, put a sell down here, and then let the market do its thing. And then hopefully if it rips up, it picks up our buy and then keeps going. And on this side, if we go down, if the market goes down, it will pick up this sell and go down. Right? Like I think that's the way we do it. Or not YOLO. I mean, it's kind of a YOLO, but I would like to keep these accounts. They're both funded. They're both in good shape. This one hasn't even been traded on yet, and this one is up 400. But it should it should stop us at the daily loss limit if we're wrong. What do you mean same level for both? The whole idea with this was buy on one account and sell on the other. Or you mean buy at the same buy and sell at the same level? I see what you're saying. So like if I was going to market it, I'd market a long on this side and then market a sell on this side. The only reason why I don't want to do that is whenever there's news events, like back here at, where was it? Usually we go one direction and then we turn around and go the opposite direction. So whichever way the market goes first, right at whenever this happens, typically it's going to go the opposite way. Like the further direction will be the second direction. But I see what you're saying. I'm trying to avoid. Okay, best case scenario, if I do this, if we put a buy up here and we put a sell down here, best case scenario would be we only get tagged in on one account. And it works. That's best case. The second best case is we get tagged in on one, we go up, tag this long in, but then the market decides it wasn't going to keep going higher, so we go down. This one hits the daily loss limit, but we hit this, pick up the sell, and make money on this one. I do remember the last time I tried this. The last time I tried this, it almost worked. It almost worked. And the last time I tried this was also YOLOing account. Like it was about to be dead. Like that. There was no bringing that account back. 5 contracts. What size? Five contracts is too much. I can only withstand 10 points of drawdown, and then the account gets shut down. So I can't do that. I'm going to just do one and hope for like 100-point move. So we at least make 100 points on one account. It's going on both accounts. At least you make some on one and lose some on the other. Or what you're saying, sitting. Yeah, I'm not gonna put take profits or stop losses. Oh, okay, yeah, you got a little more wiggle room. Are you marketing in, or like my whole idea was, like I said, put a buy up here and put a sell down here, and then hope the market does one of these, and then it just goes through and picks up that order, or the reverse and picks up this order. I know that it almost, like I was 1 point away from it working last time we did this. I also had like a take profit though. Like my thoughts are, let's shrink this down to like 20. My thoughts are, let's say the market wanted to go up here to the 700. Yeah, I don't know about marketing on the move like that, because it might fill you like 50 points later or something. I mean, these are demo accounts technically, so they should just put you wherever the price is, but I don't know. So my thought is, if the market wants to go up here, it's going to do its little thing. It might do a little fake out move down and then go up. We could have our order up here, so at least picks it up on the way. Once it moves that far away from wherever it started, it should keep going. It's not that many points, but Yeah, for sure. Well, I don't know because I mean it's demo accounts. We're not actually like going in a queue or anything. It's all just made up. I was also looking back. The last FOMC was on. Let's move this over. The last FOMC was October 31st or November 1st. Like, and it didn't really look like we had a movement. That's good to know, Hank. But is it going to make it so we go take those out and then reverse? Or are we going to take them out and keep going? We're doing this, McLovin. I think we're expecting good news. They're expected to keep the rates the same, which would mean the market will go down. November 1st. Yeah, so look, the last time we had FOMC, we did this. We didn't go very far. And then we had to move up again, and then it moved down, and then we moved up. So from this range, hey, Banana Stacker. I like that name. Yeah, I know, Tyler. I'm a little worried about this. This will tag us in the buy, come down, get us DLL'd, then pick up this one, and then go back that way and get us DLL'd on two of them. We could do. I can have. I can only have two micro or two minis, right? Could just have like. I don't know. Let's see where we're at in like 10 minutes. Like we have a swing high on the five. We'll watch the 5 minute. We'll put them like 20 points past these swings. Because if one swing's going to get taken out for liquidity and then go after the other side, it shouldn't go that far past it, right? Like if we were going to take out this liquidity first before we move up, should just go down now maybe that far and then do that, right? So if we keep our sell down here, if it moves that far past it, then hopefully we keep going. I feel like 20 points is too close to where the market is. I just have to, like, I'm trying to figure out how to not take a losing trade on one of them. But we went into this expecting a losing trade on one. So we're expecting to be minus 1,000 on one of these accounts, but plus 1,000 on the other one, or maybe more. I think this is what we do. Okay, this left side's going to be our buy side. This will be our short. We have a swing right here. It does guarantee a trade. I want to guarantee 2 wins. Come on, Tyler. We can play both sides. I need to know the best entry, and I don't think getting in right before. This is how we look at the market. We have liquidity here, and it looks like we have liquidity here. If the market wants to go up, we're going to come down and take out this liquidity. So I can't have my sell too close to this. Like, I'm expecting the market to go down before it goes up or up before it goes down. So I don't want to get into one of those liquidity grabs first. I want to get into the momentum of the direction that the market is wanting to go. So what I think is like putting a buy up here, except there's a 5-minute fair value gap right there. I don't like that. Put it at the high of that, maybe. So up here. If we make it this high, potentially we're running after those and higher. So let me hold for 16,700. And then on this side, ideally, if we're going to go lower, we're going to go up and take out this swing and then drop. So we could put our short down like at 50. Hoping that we run down to these lows. That's what I'm thinking. Or is that too far? Or we could do like methodical saying. Make sure you choose the right buy, sell above and below. Sell, buy. We could bring these in tighter and double them and then just take 25 points. We should go 25 points in both directions. That'd be 1,000 on both accounts. I need some opinions from you guys. Otherwise, I'm leaving these where they are. The market has not moved very much. The other idea is to just mark it in with 2 contracts, 1 buy, 1 sell. Then whichever one hits 25 points first, take 1,000. Most likely it's going to hit minus 1,000 on the other one. But at least there's a funded that's $1,000 into profit. Okay. So I'll just leave these here. And if we lose money, we're going to see a super chat donation from Tyler Smith in however much I lost. I could do 2. Worst case scenario, we're out. No, worst case scenario is it hits both of these, and then like we don't hit our daily loss. It just goes straight to the limit, the total drawdown, and both accounts are gone. Which we technically passed them just within the last week. And then we're out $300, which that would suck. Well, historically, Joseph, good news means the market goes down. Bad news means the market goes up. So I would think that's good news that they're not raising it. So then we go down. Thanks, Methodical. You didn't have to do that. All right, so now instead of being out 350, we will be out 340 because we just recouped part of that. Oh, man. I mean, I talked it over with the wife, explained what's happening, explained the outcomes. She says, go for it. That's not a bad idea either. Yeah, she's cool, McLovin, for sure. Lackluster dribble. Yeah, I think so too. So it's about 25 points. So if this one works and we go straight up and don't come back 25 points, this should put us at a G. I mean, with FOMC, like I would expect to try to catch like 100 points. Like I don't like 25 points. I can pick up 25 points on my normal like strategy. Any silver bullet 10 a.m. move, it gives me 25 points or more. This is FOMC. I want like 300 points. I mean, we could run up to the all-time high, which would be up at 700, right? Oh, 768. So yeah, maybe we hold this all up to maybe we reach all-time highs and hit 800. You have been, Tyler. I can attest to that. When you're right, though, we get some good moves. Oh, wrong button. So if we were to sweep the lows, like, do you think we're going to sweep them by 25 points and then rip up? Because if so, I need to move this bad boy down a little. Maybe at 40 beneath the high of that candle right there. Ooh, you know what we could do? This is a totally different, but kind of the same thing. Put our buy at the lows and put our sell at right up here. So if we sweep that and then it turns around, catch like 30, 40, 50 points. Loss limit is going to be when Trade of 8 cuts it off at a minus 1,000. I'm a little nervous too. Probably, if one of those worked out, we'd be squeezing out way more points. If I put a buy down here, take out the lows, put a buy, and then hold that for all. I've got 2 minis on each account. It's all good, McLovin. It's kind of weird that right before 2 o'clock, they're putting us right in that fair value gap. It's a little odd, isn't it? So you're short right now? I'm not. I don't know if I've even. I don't know what the hell the turtle soup is. I don't think I ever watched a full video on it. shoots to 16.5 and then we dump. 16.5 would be down, right? You mean 16.7? Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, selling at old highs and buying at lows. Getting in at the liquidity grab. You guys have 3 minutes to, you think I need to change anything or just leave it how it is and see if it plays out, like taking out one of the, like take out low and then it rips through there. I kind of have a feeling it's not going to be, I kind of have a feeling it's going to be anticlimactic. Market's been doing weird things lately. Yeah, make sure it's on NQH. I don't know. I just have a feeling it's not going to do anything crazy. Hey, Umar, we haven't seen you in a while. Yes, it has been a while. We're kind of just doing something a bit different right now. Everyone talked me into making a bad decision. We've been doing good. We've been doing pretty good on the 5-second chart, but here we are. McLovin's got a countdown going. If we get to 16.7, that will be 70 points on our buy with 2 minis. I'll take that. Uh-oh. She's going. She's going. I don't need it to tag me in and drop, though. I'm freaking out. That's so scary. A 5-minute candle doing that. Came right up into that gap. Oh my God, it's so close. Oh, we're in. Come on. Should I take it at the highs? I don't know if I could do this. It's coming down. I at least want that high up there. I don't think, I feel like this is going to drop at any second. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's trying. I'm gonna take the sell off because we're going up. I can't. I have to just take that. I wanted it to happen immediately. Of course, now it's gonna freaking. Sorry, guys. I couldn't do it. I wanted this to happen like super quick, and it was taking too long. I feel like I let you guys down. I feel like I let you down. It's the wrong one. Performance. That was one of the fundeds, right? Wait, yeah. So that was not that only gave us $300. That only gave us $300. I should have done what Methodical said, was just get in right at the start of it, and we would have had way more. Oh well. It took our red day to a green day pretty quickly, and this was up way more. I just couldn't hold it anymore. Yeah. Well, less than that, a minute and 20 seconds. So yeah, I guess if you look at it like that, but the risk was so much higher than what we took. I know you guys are saying well done, good job. I appreciate it. I'm not satisfied with that. I was hoping to catch like this move. I just really thought that there was going to be some manipulation first, so I wanted to be out of the way when that manipulation happens and then get in on the push, which, I mean, it looks like that might happen now. Especially, yeah, holding is hard, especially when we just ripped up, what, 60 points in a second? Damn it. I'm so incredibly not happy with that. Now it's just going to keep going. Yeah, I could have just walked away, but it was that was just moving too quick. And the fact that we were in profit at one point, we were up from 36. I think it was up to here. So we were up 30 points at one point, I think, and then it came down. Even if we say 25, we were up $1,000. So I wanted to try to at least prevent that from coming back down. Damn, and now we're going right up to where. Yeah, that's true. This could have very easily hit my daily loss limit on both accounts, which would have sucked that I just spent $300 on these that I didn't want to spend. So I just wasn't expecting to only get 10 points. Not even. We didn't even get 10 points. Oh well. It's better than giving back. Plus 300 is way better than minus 500. Right. And tell me who else is out there. Tell me where else you can where you can make $320 in a minute. That's like Jeff Bezos money, right? What did I need to go rewind yours, methodical. Were you in it? Or wait, you did say something, right? Sometimes I can't remember the things I'm reading. I'm not shorting that. I wasn't supposed to be trading anyways. $100. Thought you were in 5 contracts. Could trade the 5-second now. Hey, nice. That was my plan, was to possibly lose one but get like 70 points on the other one. Damn it. All I had to do was hold a little longer. The fact that it started to slow down, I all I could think of, okay, now that was the manipulation. Now it's going to plummet. And I just couldn't do it anymore. I can hold real trades, but this was not a trade. This was a gamble. If it was a real trade with real technical analysis, with a fair value gap, all that stuff, I'll hold that an hour, 2 hours, no problem. But not jumping in on a FOMC gamble move. But I had the my idea was right, keeping it up here, because look, if I had it down here, this is the 5-second, of course, but it shows we slowed down, started chopping, then had another little push, and then after that push, that's when it can keep going. Maybe we'll try it again next time. Honestly, it's not too bad. I thought we were going to walk away with one account less. We still have 2 accounts. This one is up. We're up 750 since we started this one, which we just started like last week. And I took a pretty gnarly loss on the first day too, down 1,000. So we're technically, since I wasn't really trading, I just got eager to trade and I messed up. So from that moment, we're up 1,700. We started on the 6th. Oh, last Wednesday. So it's not bad. I think I can do way better than 750 in a week. But there's people out there working full-time jobs not making 750 in a week. And I'm just sitting here clicking 3 different buttons. Oh, we should have held this. Look at all my beautiful points. Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm pretty sure I've had panic attacks from blowing accounts in the past. I have I'm ashamed to say it, but I am not a person who expresses anger physically. But there is a hole in my desk from trading. And I've never done that before. But trading is different. I like a short now. good thing is that, oh no, I thought today was going to add to my days on TopStep, but it's not, because it's not a $200 day. Should we go? Should we try to get to 200, or you think that's risky? If I can get to 200 today, then it feels more real. Or should we just leave it? You only need $80. It's only 4 points. Yeah, we could do that too. Nice, Alito. Nice. Let me see a screenshot. Coming up into the 1 minute fair value gap. How many contracts are you using, Alito? Oh. Well, we could have also just been going up, making people think we were going to go to 700. I'm just looking for 5 points. I want to see how it reacts in that 1 minute gap right there. I don't remember what you said your buy theory was, Tyler. I just can't. I can't remember all the things you guys say from seeing all the different messages, so I apologize. Oh, yeah. Right. Yep. I mean, if I had to have picked one side to try this on, I definitely would have picked going higher first. We're just too close to that 700 level. Came down into that 1 minute. Just going for a handful of points. Yeah, it was. I thought we were further from the highs right there. Did I make a mistake? Come on. Yes. Okay. That's all I wanted. I just wanted today to go down as a count towards a green day and TopStep. So, not a total. It wasn't like a total win. It wasn't exactly what I wanted because I couldn't hold. We obviously could have. But we did start the day. This was supposed to be a red day. And now it's a green day and it counts towards payout levels. So can't be too frustrated with that. I just thought we were going to walk away with like a plus $2,000 trade, plus $3,000 trade. But it's all right. We'll take that. I have part of the reason why this morning I was struggling. I had that extra pressure because I was really hoping to at least take some money out of this account by the end of next week. And that's dangerous to think like that. So I need to just trade. Don't worry about payouts or anything like that. Just keep trading like I've been doing and put time behind me. And if we keep doing what we've been doing, our account will be, it's in good shape and our account will look very well. And then I can start taking payouts and not even worry about the drawdown when I do take a payout. So, plus we've got two now. I can link that other one tomorrow. I'll probably link it and just take a couple trades a day. And be done. Look at brother Jason calling this out. Now we're going down after that 700 is taken out. Oh, now we're going up. All right, you guys be careful if you keep trading this. No point in blowing accounts on a day that doesn't happen often. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning. What is today? Wednesday? Tuesday, Wednesday? Wednesday. We got 2 more days left. So see you guys in the morning. Take it easy today, and talk to you guys later. Yeah, have a good night, McLovin. Jesus, 4:30 a.m. You're crazy. All right, you guys be careful. Talk to you guys tomorrow.